Welcome back. In this lecture we are going to animate our background through script. So select the asset. Now create a folder and name it scripts. Now open the script folder and simply create a C# script and name it animated background. Now double click and open your script. Here is the script. You can use any editor. By default I am using the Visual Studio. If you want to use any other editor, simply click on edit and click on preferences and external tool and we select the Visual Studio. If you are using other tool like Visual Studio Code Editor, Atom, Sublime, any IDE you want to use. Now go to your script and here I am going to declare some variable. As I want to animate our background, and you can see I have embedded a texture on it, on our material. So I am going to declare a material variable, material, and name it matte. Next thing I am going to, as we are developing a 2D game and in 2D there are two axes X, we are dealing with two axes X and Y, and I am going to declare a vector 2 and name it movement, as I want to move our background. Next thing I am going to declare a public vector 2 and obviously it has some speed. Perfect. Now as I have declared the material, now I am going to access it. Material equal to get component. I want to render dot matte. In update method I have to update matte dot main texture offset equal to movement and movement plus equal to speed, at which speed, and into time dot delta time. Now simply save it and go to back Unity, select your background and click on add component and search for animated background script. Here you can see different values for our game script. If you can see, if I click on play, nothing's happen. Now if I select the value of -y -1, now I click on play, here you can see our background is animated. That's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will start building our character movement. See you in next lecture.